Welcome to my first Tutorial Tuesday wedding series, where I'm teaching you how to DIY a fabulous wedding. If you're not subscribed to my channel, do that now and let's get started. First, we're going to head over to Canva. I used a blue floral frame for this. I'm going to go ahead and size it to as big as I possibly can. You want to try not to go outside of these red lines. Now that I've sized it to where I want it, you do need to add an extra image here. Canva will not save just one image, so I used this little flower and sized it as small as I could, hid it behind the frame, and now I am ready to save this. But before I do that, I'm going to change the color of the frame to a lighter blue. Now that we have it changed to a lighter blue, it's the same color as the flower we put in the background. And as you can see, the little flower is well hidden behind our frame over here on the right. You can't even see it. So we are ready to save. I am going to rename this project so that I know where to find it. And I'm making sure to save this with a transparent background. You do need to have a membership to be able to save this as transparent. Now we're going to head over to Cricut Design Space, and over here on the bottom left, we're going to upload our image into Design Space. Once your image is uploaded, just click Continue. There's no need to delete the background, so hit Continue again, and we're going to upload this as a flat graphic since we are doing print then cut. As you can see, Cricut offers different designs on the left-hand side that you can buy if you decide the frame you have isn't for you. But we have the one we want. But now we want to add an offset to our frame. So I'm going to go up here to the left-hand corner to edit. And now we're going to go to offset. The offset size that I used is 0.278. And I'm making sure that I use the rounded design. Now that we have the size we want, we go ahead, click apply, and we have our offset. I'm going to change this color to white because that's the color of the invitation. And as you can see, it left a circle in the middle. I'm not going to add a full offset because I did not want my outline on the outside to be thick. So I'm going to go over to the left to shapes, choose this rounded oval shape, change it to white, and simply put it in the middle and size it to the size of this open space. We've resized our oval. Now that we have it sized to the frame, we're making sure that it doesn't cover any of the lines on the frame. We're going to select the full image, go down to the bottom right-hand corner, and select flatten so we have a full image that is ready to cut. Now you can go ahead and add the text you want. Anytime you add text in Cricut Design Space, it's going to show up as a cut design. So I'm going to go ahead and select the image and the font. And I'm going to go to the bottom right-hand corner again and click flatten. Now your full image is ready to print, then cut. If you do not click flatten, it will cut out the words on your save the date. The next step is to resize this image. I'm doing a 5:7 save the date. You're going to go up to the top toolbar and unlock that little lock. And we're going to change the width to 5 and the length to 7. Now we're ready to make our design. We're going to go up to the right-hand corner at the top and click Make It. As you can see, my screen is showing what my design will look like when I print it on paper. I'm going to go to Continue, and then we're going to go to Print. I am using System Dialog, and I'm taking the bleed off. The The reason I'm using System Dialog is so that I can fix the settings for my printer because I want to make sure that I get the best print. These are our save the dates we're sending out to our guests. So I'm going to make sure I put it on best quality. Once you print your image, you're going to verify the print quality. If you're satisfied with the quality of your image, you are now ready to cut. For this project, I am using medium cardstock setting. This seems to be the best setting when I'm using regular cardstock. But of course, every Cricut and project is different, so do what works for you. Now we have our save the date cut out. We're going to go ahead and just peel it off the mat. I like to peel the outside first. I do not pull from the middle. You could use a spatula if you like to, but I like to pull the mat away from the design so that I'm not bending it, and it comes out perfect every time. After pulling it off the mat, I just check for the quality, the spelling, and make sure that it's perfect. And this one came out great. I appreciate you guys for joining me for my wedding series Tutorial Tuesday. I hope this video gave you the confidence to DIY something amazing for your wedding. And remember that a DIY wedding does not have to look like it. And my goal is to help you create a fabulous wedding on a budget. If you like this video, share this video and comment down below. Let me know what else you would like to see from me. And I'll see you in the next one.